Okay, so this is my new KTM Duke 200. This is just going to be a quick sort of sound check video. This bike's actually going to replace my ZXR 400. I'm going to do sort of a first impressions video, then sort of next year I'll do a sort of a more longer term review on it. But there's also going to be a review on my ZXR 400 as well before I get that sent away. Right, so let's get started. So obviously, turn the key on, make sure neutral showing. That's just a warning light for my kickstand. Yeah, let's get started. Now the bike is warm, so temperature gauge there. Yeah, pretty nice sounding bike. KTM's actually done something with a Poverick or Aquapoverick, or however you want to pronounce it. So instead of replacing instead of having the underbelly exhaust, you'll actually have a full exhaust on the sub here. You have to get it from KTM directly or KTM dealership, official one. So yeah, if you guys want that, I think I'm gonna get it myself. And that's an option. Also, you get sort of tail ties, but I'll get more into that into the actual review. Alright, cheers for watching, guys.